Also, Research In Motion introducing a rival to Apple's iPad. The company hoping to cash in on the corporate crowd with the BlackBerry, as it did actually, with the BlackBerry. Their new product is called PlayBook. RIM's tablet has a 7-inch screen. It is smaller than iPad's almost 10-inch display. The PlayBook is also thinner and weighs less, but it will not be released until next year. Well, speaking of it, how does the PlayBook measure up against the competition? Carlin has been taking a look. Callie.
Yes, Deirdre, the biggest competition, as you mentioned, for RIM's tablet will be the iPad, but don't forget about Samsung's Galaxy either. Let's size up the situation. As you were mentioning, that screen on the BlackBerry PlayBook will be about 7 inches. That is smaller than the iPad, about exactly the same size as the Galaxy. Next, let's talk about the weight. It weighs less than a pound, 0.9 to be exact, so that's a third lighter than Apple's iPad and just fractionally heavier than the Galaxy. Now, we're still waiting to hear what PlayBook's price tag will be. We know iPad ranges from $500 to more than $800, while Samsung execs say the Galaxy will cost $200 to $300. Now, the PlayBook is powered by software built by QNX. That's a company RIM bought in April. Unlike the iPad, RIM's tablet will run Adobe Flash. It will also feature the BlackBerry security. That is appealing to the corporate and government client, which RIM says it will target. And RIM could use a new revenue stream. According to IDC research, RIM has been losing ground on the smartphone front. Market share for the second quarter of 2010 sliding. In contrast, Apple increased its market share second quarter 2010 as compared to a year ago. So when can we get our hands on one of these PlayBooks? Well, RIM says early 2011, Deirdre, and analysts at RBC Capital estimate that RIM may sell 6 million PlayBooks after the first year of the launch.